That certain night, the night we met, there was magic aboard in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, and I may be wrong, but I'm certainly willing to swear that as you turn a smile at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were